Bonjour les amis. Hello. Hola. Comment ça va? Welcome to French with Ananas. I am so happy to see you today, my friends. We have a fun lesson on the O sound. Before we get started, can we say Bonjour Ananas? Can you say that nice and loud? Bonjour Ananas. Oh, I think I hear her coming. Oh, there she is. Oh, there she is. Bonjour, Anana. Anana, are you a little shy today? A little bit shy? Oh, I hope you're not shy at home about learning French words. If it makes you feel a little better, then you can get your own favorite stuffy right beside you to help you along. Let's get started, les amis. On va aller chercher une couleur. Can you choose a color? First, let's repeat them all together out loud. Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Je porte ma casquette rouge aujourd'hui. On va choisir rouge. So this series is called French with Ananas. This is lesson 4.2, O sound. Leçon 4.2, son O. Well, let's get started, mes amis. On va commencer. Oh, ananas. Wow. Le beau soleil. Just look at the window through the fenêtre, and you can see it's also beautiful sunshine today outside my fenêtre. And in this picture, we can see beau soleil. Wow. Can you say soleil? And try to repeat it out loud at your house, or at school, or at the park, or if you're at the pool. If you can, try and repeat out loud. It really helps with your learning. Soleil. Now, we're going to clap the syllables in this word. If you're not sure how to do this, then you can just follow us. Soleil, soleil. Wow, let's try that again. Soleil. Deux syllabes. A syllabe is a syllable. Soleil. Good job. Now, can you find the O sound in the word soleil? Can you point to it? Oui, bravo. That letter makes the O sound. Soleil. Can you say it with me? Soleil. Now a little bit faster. Soleil. Bravo! You're off to a great start. Let's keep going. What's our next word? Oh, ananas. What do you think? Oh, yes, it's a pillow. It's called oreiller. Oreiller. Can you clap the syllables with me? Oreiller. One more time. Oreiller. Oreiller. Trois syllabes. If you said three, you're correct. Can you find the O sound in the word oreiller? Oui, it is the beginning sound. Oh, oreiller. Can you say that with me? Oreiller. And a little bit faster. Oreiller. Good job. Let's keep going, my friends. What is our next? Oh, that's your little clue. Can you guess? Oh, those are delicious. Delicieuse. These are called tomate. Tomate. Can you clap the syllables? Tomate. Tomate. Deux syllabes. Tomate. Bravo. Can you find the O sound? Can you point to it? Wee, there's the O sound. My friends, you're getting good at this. Can we say it together? Tomate. Tomate. Now a little bit faster. Tomate. Bravo. You're doing a great job. Oh, ananas, qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, ananas. This must be the forest. And the French word for forest is forêt. Forêt. Can we clap the syllables together? Forêt. Let's try again. Forêt. Deux syllabes. Forêt. Can you find the O sound in forêt? Ah, oui, you found it. Can you say it with me? Forêt. Forêt. And a little bit faster this time. Forêt. You got it. Bravo. That's perfect. Let's keep going on. See what we have. Oh, Anna, what could this be? Hmm. Oh, these are beads. Multicolored beads. That means lots of colors. Perles multicolores. Multicolores. Oh, let's try that word. Multicolore together. That means lots of colors. Multicolore. Wow. Let's do that one again. Multicolore. Multicolore. Wow. You did a great job. Can you find the O sound words? The O sound in the word multicolore? I think there's more than one. Un, deux. You are correct. There's two O sounds in the word multicolore. Now let's try both words together. Perle multicolore. Perle multicolore. Yay! You are doing a fantastic job, my friend. Let's keep going. Oh, Anana, look at this, Anana. It's a question. Question. And it says, qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, mon sac! On va aller chercher mon sac. Mon sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, Ananas, est-ce qu'on va regarder dans le sac? Have a look, Ananas. Look dans le sac. Oh, qu'est-ce qu'on voit dans le sac? Oh, 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 wow! Regarde! Oh, delicious! Des tomates. We just learned this new word. Can you say tomate? Des tomates. Smells so good. Ça sent bon. Oh, Ananas. Madame knows what I'm going to have for lunch today. Pour mon dîner, des tomates. Oh, my friends, I had so much fun with you today. Thank you so much for joining us. Merci beaucoup. It's time to say goodbye, so we're going to say au revoir. Can you say au revoir, Anana? Au revoir, madame. Au revoir, les amis. And we'll say see you soon. À bientôt. À bientôt.